General advice is making you confused about where to invest and what to buy. Here's why. A client contacted me wanting an investment property. He had heard on various websites that multifamily was the way to go, and it is an excellent way to go in many locations, but not in Las Vegas for the price range he wanted. What you were getting was a bunch of older properties with very problematic tenants. Once we went through this with him and he could understand the characteristics of the tenant pool the property attracted, he realized that would be a very bad move in Las Vegas. The fundamental problem that the client had was he was trying to take general national recommendations and apply it to a specific location. The advice you're going to get on all the real estate websites, podcasts, seminars, and so forth is general in nature, but you're not buying a general property. You're buying a specific property in a specific location subject to the local rules and regulations. So you really need to understand real estate investing is hyperlocal, and what is a good investment in one location could be a terrible investment in another location.